She wanted to wear a hat.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, hat! Hat! Pero pag tinatry on sa bahay, ayaw niya.
Kasi nakita niya sa'yo.
Ah, ito sa akin.
Wow.
The castles. Bianca is awake now.
Well,
Good morning, Bianca. 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 Buenos días. Buenos días. Bianca. Bianca. Buenos días. Buenos días. Bianca. Bianca. Buenos días. Buenos días. Bianca. Bianca.
hi guys. So, second day na namin ngayon sa vacation namin dito sa Cancun.
Nag-enjoy si Bianca sa sleep niya, oh.
Yeah, ang tagal niya magising. Alas 10 na ngayon. Nakapag-gym na si Dada, nakaligo na, nakaprepare na rin si Mami. Nita na lang si Bianca.
Pero sa Vancouver, 8 pa lang kasi. 8 a.m.
Ang ganda nagising na ito eh, manaw.
But, nung madaling araw, umiyak siya. Nagising lang siya, bigla siyang umiyak. Mga 5 minutes din yata yung iyak niya nun.
Good morning!
Yeah, good morning.
Buenos dias!
Happy? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Feeling ko, siguro dito tayo kumain.
Nire-reserve din yan?
Ano nga pala?
Hindi ko alam eh, wala akong idea. Yay! Magbe-breakfast na rin kami sa wakas. Gutom na si Bianca.
Yung mata niya.
Yay!
Nice.
Pap, 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 pam.
Ay, may juice bar doon. Yun pala yung juice bar na hinahanap ko. Tapos ayan yung may bar dyan. Doon.
Hi! Katatapos lang namin kumain. So, brunch na halos yun kasi 11 a.m. na. So, pumunta kami dito sa seashore. Ayan, may mga upuan kami dito. Mamaya hihingi kami ng ng towel para pwede kaming humiga. Yan yung hut namin. Yan. Tapos, ito yung dagat. Maraming seaweed sa gilid, as you can see. So, ito yung hotel namin. Sa may bandang likuran kami. Tapos seaweeds, ayan, nasa gilid, ang haba, oh. Pwede namang maligo dito, babe, di ba? Yeah, ayun, may naliligo doon, ayun. Pwede nga. Kita mo yung ibon na yan, oh. Parang dinosaur yung style. Ay, yung shape. So yun, nagpe-prepare na si Irene para sa TikTok namin. Outfit of the day. So, yeah. Ayan na. Ito yung kamay natin dito sa center. Center, eh.
Sa right tayo.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Right?
Okay, right. 1, 2, 3. Yoo-hoo! 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 Yay! Tingnan mo nga.
Naku, gina-record.
Di wow.
Ang cute naman ni baby. Look at her. She's not taking off her hat. Actually, she wanted to wear a hat, no? She wanted to wear a hat.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, hat. Hat. Pero pag tinatry on sa bahay, ayaw niya.
Kasi nakita niya sa'yo.
Ah, ito sa akin.
Wow.
I look so cute. Char. Yan. My family. Hi, baby. Love you. I love you. Okay, so let's go get towels. And we're gonna get drinks. I think the towels are over there where the blue flag is. I don't think this hut is a towel hut. So there's a juice bar. We're gonna get some juice. And this is yung restaurant na I said we're gonna have lunch, but we just had breakfast. So may towels din dito. Let's see. This is the Villa Marina restaurant, and here's their menu. Here's the juice bar. Let's order some juice. Hi everybody! My name is Bianca Lorene. I'm 21 months old. And we're in Mexico. Wave, baby. Yay! Wave. She's so cute, Ski. Hi, love. Are you having fun? Huh? Baby, are you happy? Are you happy? Bianca, are you happy? Happy. Good girl. Happy. Look at her. Just relaxing. Looking at the view. Here's the view here. Mommy got a drink. Shoes? You want to wear shoes? Oh, Mommy got a drink. This is like some kind of tropical fruit stuff. No alcohol. Baby, you want juice? You want to try juice? Ooh, do you like it? Do you like the juice? Huh? You like the juice? Wow. Yummy. You like it? Is it cold? Yummy! You like it, baby? I ordered this from the kids bar, so this one has no alcohol. Right, love? It's just juice. Juice. Bianca likes it. Yummy! Are you happy? Are you happy?
Happy.
Happy. Are you happy?
Happy.
Happy, good girl. She likes it. Yummy. Ay, yeah, Passy. Yummy. So yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Are you happy? Are you happy? happy? Happy! Are you happy? Let's wipe your mouth. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Ooh, it's so nice and breezy. It's our bag and our stuff. There's like a little table here attached to this umbrella hut. So there's the resort. It's a pretty big resort. And there's the beach. And my baby right there. Just relaxing. She just wants her passy. Laura went to get a drink. So let's see what he got when he comes back. There's love. There's Dada. Bianca, look at Dada. Look at Dada. Hi. Hi. Juice. Juice. Where's Dada?
Oh, yan si Bianca. Chilling si Bianca. Ang iinom pa ng drinks. Ay!
Yummy.
Pen shot. Oh, pen shot. Ay, hindi pa pala tayo nakapag-selfie.
Ang bilis mag-melt nung... Ayun kanina yun parang flash.
Ito yung drinks ko. Paabat nga.
Lorski. Ito sa amin ni Bianca.
So ito yung pinagawa kong drinks. Jack Daniels yung alcohol niya. Masarap siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag eh. Sabi ko yung lang eh. Tinuro ko lang yung Jack Daniels tapos sabi ko mix-mix lang.
May mga sand na yung pasi ni Bianca. Kakain na siya ng sand.
Oh, ayun si Mami.
Hi!
At si Bianca.
Bianca.
So ito yung beach namin. Sarap lang. Relax, relax. Naka-live si Irene.
Ang weird dito sa sa live, yung camera nila parang naka-zoom saka naka-face eye. Anyway, see you later, people. Bye.
So hi guys. Actually 8 of the month ngayon.
Happy 8 of the month.
Happy 8 of the month. Can you say 8? 8. 8. Dance. Dance, dance, dance. Tatayo na. Oh, dance, dance. Go. Dance, Will. Dance.
Dance, dance.
Dance, 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 dance. Oh, more da, more
Tignan mo
juice.
yung ang ganda ng light, ng ilaw.
Oh, ang ganda nga.
Kahit front camera.
Woo!
Ang hilab
Marunong na mag-straw yan eh.
Hi.
Hi.
Moana.
Wow.
Hi. Is that Moana? Hi. Hi to the vlog. Hi. Hi. I-back mo yung camera. Ayun. Ba't baba? Hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Are you happy? Are you happy? Hi. Nag-hi siya kay Moana. Start.
Ayan yung mga naglilinis ng seaweed oh. Meron pang isa doon. Ayun yung taga-collect.
Yung mga naano.
Yeah. Yay! Wow, do you like it? Do you like it? Oh, tinatry niya. Tinatry niya. She likes it. Uy, kunyari pa siya. Oh, tawa-tawa. Yay! Do you like it, Bianca? Do you like it? Tinataas pa yung paa eh. Oo. Yoo! She likes it.
Kanina ayaw niya bumaba.
Yay! Yahoo!
Ang pasi niya.
Yay! She likes it.
Look at Bianca! She's enjoying the sand! Ang fine naman din kasi ng sand dito. It's very fine. It's kind of like Boracay sand. It's white. White sand. Look at her outfit. Bianca! Ooh, so cute! Are you happy? Are you happy? Bianca, are you happy? Ito yung aming our little hut here. Ayun, nagka-tractor ng seaweed.
Hi! So magla-lunch na kami nila Bianca. Dito kami magla-lunch. Ay. Tara, pasok tayo. So yan yung menu nila. Order kami ng salad, garden, tsaka yung shrimp and chicken. Let's go! So nandun na si Mami. Naghihintay. Yay! Ito yung table namin. So umorder kami ni Bianca. Dito sa Villa Marina, ang in-order namin ay garden salad, shrimp taco, steak crab, steak crab, steak crab, wrapping paper, steak wrap, and salad, and chicken burger. Tapos umorder ako ng serbesa. Ang sabi ko, yo quiero una cerveza, por favor. Praktisado, no? Gracias, señor. Gracias. So, ito na yung serbesa ko. Cheers!
Hi, so our order came here at Villa Marina. This is the chicken strips with fries. This is for baby, but look, she's sleeping right now. And shrimp tacos. This is our garden salad. Steak wrap. And chicken burger. Let's eat. This is kind of spicy. So this is the shrimp tacos. I don't know if you can see. Ito yung steak wrap. Saan yung steak? Andun yata oh. Parang puro beans lang to tsaka cheese. I don't know. Hindi ko matikman yung beef dyan or yung steak.
Ayaw ko na. Ano klaseng gan?
I guess mixed. Parang Mexican. I think. Kasi the salad. Masarap ba yung salad?
May hazelnut ata yun. Gising na si Bianca. Oh, buti nakahabol siya. Kasi binabalak pa naman namin mag-request na lang na ipabalot yung pagkain niya para pagising niya. Doon na lang siya sa loob ng room namin kumain. Eh nagising, tapos na sinubuan, nagustuhan. No, ayan na, kumakain na siya ngayon.
Medyo matigas na yun.
So ito yung harapan ng ng room namin sa umaga, courtyard. Ay, gabi yan, nakuha na ng gabi. So ito ngayon yung pagmaliwanag, nakabukas yung fountain nila, ayan. Yan. Ang tawag ni Bianca dyan, water. Oh. Yeah.
Yung room natin andyan lang. Tapos na yung labas. Ang ganda nga yung view. Meron pa nga dito. Ano yan? Jaguar or whatever it's called. Yeah. I don't know yung room namin, why it says privilege. Pero hindi naman kami privilege.
Baka privilege tayo. Yabang ng pambukas, oh. Bracelet lang. Ayun, oh. Wow.
Oh, sarap ang lamig. Aircon.
Yay!
Aircon with my ceiling fan para mas lalong mag-circulate yung cold air. Look, our bed is freshly made. Woohoo! Bakit kaya masarap matulog pag freshly made yung bed? Yung pag yung parang ikaw sisira. Pashi! You have your Pashi, love. Here. Bianca, are you happy?
Happy.
Are you happy?
Happy.
Good girl. Bianca, are you funny? Are you funny?
Here's your Pashi.
to. Hey, parang salik. Bianca! Yes, Lizzie. Gracias. Gracias. So, for the baby daw kay Bianca. Sabi niya ulit. Where? Nakasimula niya eh.
So, dito kami, walking kami ngayong gabi. Pupunta daw kami sa coffee shop.
Yes!
Gising pa rin si Bianca. Sa liwanag. Oh, gising pa rin si Bianca. So, ito yung coffee shop. Yay! Yay! Saan?
Uy, meron silang
So yun, nung hinalo ko, sumarap. Kulang lang pala sa halo.
Kasi nakita ko ano yung nagdagay siya ng ano dyan.
Syrup. Tapos kumuha ako ng, what is this?
Corn muffin.
Corn muffin.
Gusto ni Bianca yung ano, chocolate cookie kat ito. Ito yung sa'yo.
Meron pala ako niya. So, dalawa pa yung kailangan kong ubusin tuloy. Merong event dito. Ito ata yung African event na tinatawag nila. May sumasayaw sa loob. Sa start kayo, sa start. Hi Bianca! Dance! 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 Dance!